Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my subscription box that I got today from So Cute Planner. I will link her shop down below in the description. Her planner subscription, there are different ones you can choose from, whether or not you just get the stickers, whether you just get a little bit, or maybe if you just get the washi. I actually get the ultimate box, which is $25, and then you pay $4 for shipping and handling. So it it charges my debit card on the 3rd of each month, and yeah, so it comes in a package like this. And let me set it over here out of the way. Let me pull everything out. And let me just say, I was super pleasantly surprised. So it comes in a foil, hollow foil bag, so everything is kept safe and dry. And the first thing that I got was by Sugar Soap Works. It is oatmeal and lemon verbatim plant-based scented oil. And I thought, I wonder if you can smell it through the box. And yes, you can. So let me show you. This looks like a pretty big bar of soap. And this one, I would say most of this, you get a nice big bar of soap by Sugar Soap Works that smells just like lemons. So that's the first thing that you get. The next thing that you get is this So Cute Planner pen with the gems in the end. It is just a ballpoint pen, and it also has a stylus on the end, which I actually use a stylus for my tablet, so super handy. So you get that and the soap. You get a vintage elastic page marker. Let's see. And it looks like this, super stretchy. So you can use it to hold your planner closed or to mark your page in your planner. Love that. So you get your page marker. You get two, they're made by Bic, 2 sticky notes. And since they're made by Bic, you know they're super sticky. You get 2 of those. Love sticky notes. And then let's do the washi. You get 5 rolls of washi. Let me see if I can find my, I'll open it so you guys can see it better. And I was talking to my friend Heather, who also started the subscription, and we were talking about, for the price point, this, I mean, look how much washi you get. This subscription box is spot on. And it is like a glittered lemons. Well, maybe I'll just do it like this so you can see it. I don't know if you can see that glittery sparkle in it or not. So you get 1. Then you get, sometimes when you get washi in a subscription box, you don't get a whole lot of washi. But yeah, you get a fair amount. And then this is, let me see if I can pull that up. This is kind of like a blue and orange ombre bow washi with glitter in it. And then you get, I don't think I got a card that tells me everything. So this is the medium washi, and it has the bows with some little swirls. It is the glittered blue and orange ombre. So you get that one. And then you get 2 of the small washi. You get a blue glittery with bows. Super cute, silver bows. I'd almost call it gray though. I think they look more gray. And then you get an orange one. Super sparkly. So those are the washi that you get. And then let me show you the planner stickers that you get. The first one looks like, I think it's a monthly. It comes with all of the holidays for April, for March, April, and May. And then you get your washi strips, your date covers, and your date dots. The lemons are super cute, goes right with your washi. And then you get some headers, some flag boxes, some half boxes. And then you get some more washi, some icons or deco. Then you get plenty of icons, bills due, payday, checklists. So super fun. And I don't necessarily decorate a monthly so much, but I could put just a little bit of each of this kit on March, April, and May and decorate like 3 months. So super cute for the monthly. And that's not all. I thought, I kind of envisioned at least one sticker kit, but no, you get more. So there's your monthly kit. Then you get this So Cute planner. I'm going to say that this is a weekly kit. And you get, I think, 6 pages. Now, I'm a daily planner. I did choose the Erin Condren option, so these would fit in an Erin Condren, but since I'm a daily planner, they will fit in any of my planners. I use a pocket size and an A5. So, excuse me, this is your full boxes. You get some headers, some quarter boxes, some bills due. Then you get some checklist and icons. Then you get, wow, see, this would be enough for the monthly right here. You get your date covers, date dots, and some washi. Get your glitter headers and some more of the scripts. Some of the So Cute planner people. Weekend banner, and some checklists. So that is a 6-page kit, which for me, I can use it probably in 2 or 3 weeks, especially if I'm cleaning in my pocket planner. And then you get a foiled kit. And I'm sure depending on which box that you choose, it would depend on which kit. So you get some quotes, some clear quotes. Believe you can and you will. Always stay humble and kind. Throw kindness like confetti. There is always a way. And that is, I think it's gold foil. Then you get some more gold foiled, some overlays, and some flags. And then your bows and flowers at the bottom. You get a sheet of deco. You get a sheet of the girls where you can choose which one. And then you get another full kit. So you get your photo full boxes, your headers, bill due, and then quarter boxes and half boxes. You get your trackers, your checklist, Monday through Sunday, some icons, top 3 boxes. And then this would be for another month. So yeah, you can do all 3 months with this. March, April, and May. Awesome. So super fun. And then you get your little So Cute planner people, scripts, glitter headers, and then your checklist. So a super fun box. If you have not subscribed to her subscription box, I suggest you check it out. I've been searching for the right subscription box for me. And you definitely get your money's worth with So Cute Planner. Very generous subscription box. So if you have not already checked out her shop, I will link it down below. Everyone have a wonderful rest of their week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.